In this video, I will show you how you can fix the no SIM card installed problem on any Oppo phone. Now to fix this issue, first of all, just use any SIM card ejection tool and insert the SIM card ejection tool in the SIM card tray hole at the side of your Oppo phone. After you do that, then just extract the SIM card tray from your Oppo phone, and from here just remove the SIM card with which you are facing the problem. After you do that, then just clean the SIM card and check if the SIM card is damaged or not. After you do that, then just insert the SIM card back into the SIM card tray and place the SIM card tray in your Oppo phone. After you insert the tray back in your Oppo phone, then just wait for a couple of seconds for your SIM card to activate. And after that, just check if your issue has been fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just go to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on Mobile Network. From here, just select the SIM card with which you are facing the problem. For example, I will select SIM1. And if the SIM card is disabled on your Oppo phone, just enable it from here. As you can see, it is currently disabled, and this is how you can enable it. After you do that, then just go back to the main settings page, and in the search bar, just search this. From here, just select Reset Network and Bluetooth Settings, then tap on Reset Network and Bluetooth Settings. Now just enter your lock screen PIN, and after that, just select Reset. And by doing that, you will reset all the network settings of your Oppo phone. And do not worry, this option will not delete any data of your smartphone. You will just reset all the network settings of your Oppo phone. Now after you've done that, then just go to your home screen and perform a restart on your smartphone. To do that, just press and hold the power button of your Oppo phone until you see the power menu on the screen. But if the power button of your Oppo phone is mapped to launch the digital assistant instead of the power menu, then just press the power button and the volume up button at the same time. After you do that, then you will see the power menu on the screen. Now just select Restart. And once the restart process has been completed, then just check if your issue has been fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then you might have a hardware problem with your Oppo phone. Just take your smartphone to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.